Try this super tasty recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you egg masala recipe. Very tasty and very simple recipe. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Here I have taken a kadai. To this I am going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using coconut oil. Next to this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can use 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix well. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add 2 boiled egg. Fry the eggs until they are golden brown in color. Once done, remove it on a plate. Next, in a same kadai containing oil, I am going to add 8 to 10 shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can also use 2 sliced onions and fry the onions till they are golden brown in color. Once done, cool it into room temperature and then add in a mixer jar. Along with that, I am going to add few cashew nuts and few almonds. Add little water and make a fine paste. Next, in the same kadai, I am going to add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Fry nicely. Now I am going to add 1 medium size of finely chopped onion. Fry nicely until it is transparent. Now I am going to add special homemade ginger garlic paste. This recipe is in my shorts video. You can go and check it. Also, you can use this special ginger garlic paste any of your favorite dishes. And this ginger garlic paste will give you extra flavor of your any dishes. So now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry nicely until its raw smell leaves. You can also use normal ginger garlic paste. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder and salt as per taste. Again, you can use chili powder more if you want. Now I am going to add half cup of water. Mix well and let it boil for few minutes. Now to this I am going to add ground masala which we prepared earlier. Along with that, some water. Mix well. And close the lid and let it boil for another few minutes. As you can see here, the masala came out very beautifully. Now it's time to add 1 medium size of finely chopped tomato. Mix well and cook the tomato until it is soft. As you can see here, the tomatoes are cooked well. It looks mushy and soft. Now it's the time to add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of garam masala powder and some kasuri methi. Mix well. Now again I am going to add half cup of water. Again we need to close the lid and cook it for about few minutes. Now I'm going to add few finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Now we need to add fried eggs. Mix well with the masala. Close the lid and cook it for about 2 minutes. And the egg masala gravy is ready to be served. You can have this with hot parathas, chapatis, even with hot rice. It's the best combination for those. You must try this recipe. If you like this video, please give a like, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest video. Please do comment in my comment section which recipe you want next. Thank you for watching.